Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into one of the most sought-after secrets in dating and relationships: how to make her obsessed with you. Before we get started, a word of caution. Use these tactics responsibly. Love and attraction are powerful emotions, and it's essential to use these strategies in a healthy, respectful way. With that said, let's dive into the key principles that can take your connection from average to irresistible. Section 1. Confidence is magnetic. The first secret to making a woman obsessed with you is confidence. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it sets the foundation for how she will perceive you. Be secure in yourself. Women are drawn to men who are sure of themselves and their actions. The more comfortable you are in your own skin, the more she'll want to be around you. Body language matters. Hold your head high, stand tall, and maintain eye contact. Nonverbal cues play a huge role in how you are perceived. Take charge. This doesn't mean being controlling, but rather being decisive. Make plans, take the lead, and show that you're a man who knows what he wants. When you exude confidence, you automatically become more attractive in her eyes. Section 2. Be a mystery. A sense of mystery is something that will keep her coming back for more. If she thinks she knows everything about you from the start, she might lose interest. Don't reveal everything at once. Keep some parts of your life private or leave her curious about certain details. The thrill of getting to know you keeps the excitement alive. Maintain a busy life. Don't make her your sole focus. Having your own passions and interests outside of the relationship makes you more desirable and intriguing. Use silence wisely. You don't always need to fill in every silence. Sometimes, leaving things unsaid can make her wonder what's on your mind. The mystery keeps her thinking about you, even when you're not around. Section 3. Emotional connection is key. Getting her obsessed isn't just about physical attraction. It's about building a deep emotional connection. Listen to her. One of the simplest but most effective ways to create an emotional bond is by truly listening to what she says. This shows her that you value her thoughts and feelings. Show vulnerability. While confidence is essential, showing her a vulnerable side every now and then can create an emotional bridge that makes her feel closer to you. Find shared experiences. Whether it's through a shared hobby, a special trip, or just meaningful conversations, having memorable experiences together strengthens your bond. When she feels emotionally connected to you, she'll naturally want to spend more time with you. Section 4. Challenge her. No one gets obsessed with someone who's too easy to get. A little challenge can make her want you even more. Don't always be available. This doesn't mean playing games, but don't drop everything every time she reaches out. Let her work a little to win your attention. Stand your ground. Women respect men who have their own opinions and aren't afraid to voice them. Don't always agree with her just to please her. Stand firm when you believe in something. Give her space to miss you. Absence really does make the heart grow fonder. If you're always around, she won't have the opportunity to realize how much she enjoys being with you. By being a bit of a challenge, you'll make her crave your attention even more. Section 5. Master the art of flirting. Flirting is an essential tool to make her feel excited about you and to keep the attraction alive. Subtle teasing. Playful teasing can spark chemistry. Just make sure not to cross any lines or be disrespectful. Use touch appropriately. Light, casual touches can increase intimacy. A touch on her arm or back while talking sends a clear signal of attraction. Compliment her selectively. Instead of constantly showering her with compliments, choose your moments. This makes each compliment feel more genuine and valuable. Flirting keeps the energy alive and reminds her of the spark between you. Section 6. Be unpredictable. Routine can kill attraction, but unpredictability keeps things exciting. Surprise her. Plan spontaneous dates or do something unexpected that she wouldn't see coming. This keeps the relationship fun and thrilling. Switch up your behavior. Keep her on her toes by not being entirely predictable. Maybe one day you're super affectionate, and the next day you're a little more aloof. Be spontaneous with affection. Don't always wait for the perfect moment to show affection. A sudden compliment or a surprise kiss will take her off guard, in a good way. Being unpredictable keeps her intrigued and wanting to know what you'll do next. Section 7. Take care of yourself. A woman is more likely to obsess over a man who takes pride in his appearance and well-being. Physical fitness, exercise, and take care of your body. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good too, which naturally enhances your confidence. Grooming matters. Stay well-groomed. The small details like smelling good, having a clean shave or well-maintained beard, and wearing clean clothes can make a big difference. Mental health. Confidence also comes from within. Make sure you're taking care of your mental health and maintaining a positive, balanced mindset. When you take care of yourself, she'll admire and respect you even more. Section 8. Build a life she wants to be part of. The final key to making her obsessed is to create a life so fulfilling that she can't imagine not being a part of it. Have strong ambitions. Women are drawn to men who have goals and dreams. Show her that you're working towards something greater. Be supportive of her dreams. While you should have your own ambitions, also show her that you're supportive of her goals. A man who supports her growth is irresistible. Surround yourself with positivity. Positive energy is contagious. If she sees that you have a fulfilling life full of supportive friends and exciting opportunities, she'll want to be part of it. Ultimately, she'll be obsessed with not just you, but the incredible life you've built. Conclusion. These strategies, when used wisely, can create a powerful attraction that will make her think about you constantly. But remember, attraction is a two-way street. While it's great to make her obsessed, it's equally important to build a relationship based on respect, mutual interests, and emotional connection. Use these tips responsibly, and you'll be well on your way to creating a lasting, fulfilling connection.